Guys, I am favorite picture how to remove dog fans in Photoshop. Let's get started now. That select Ctrl J, duplicate layer and create a new layer. Select the paint tool, change you any color. Just you. I just like to blue. Blue is select you paint colors. So shortcut key is B. Check opacity 100 is complete and full hardness 100 complete. Let's create now. I'm sorry guys, my hand so weakly. Please don't forget the video. Subscribe on YouTube channel and like, subscribe and follow. And follow on Instagram and Facebook. Favorite pictures. Please. Thank you for supporting for me and please guys subscribe for me and 500 subscribers completely. My boy so bad. Please don't forget the video, please. It's completely, but 5 seconds later. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe the video and like the button. Yeah, it's complete. Yeah, complete. Okay. Click the layer and move the see expand one 12 bit. Click OK. And select the layer, dog layer, and right click, fill, go to fill, click OK. The content, select jack opacity 1 and then click OK. Wait, this. Yeah, it's complete. Delete the layer and after before that is so easy, guys. Subscribe on favorite pixel and follow more. Thank you for watching me.